Y'all, I had to tell you about this. I'm talking to my grandma and yo, I didn't even know this was possible. I've only heard this song the last time I saw my mother dancing. It was playing in the background of my grandma because she was driving in the car. And so it was playing and oh my gosh, my heart could not take it.
Guess it's twisted.
So the name of the song is called Too Close. It's by Ned.
You know what I mean? Backing over home,
Excuse my hair, guys. Still didn't do anything to it yet, but I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to make a gift for my friend, and I wanted to share with you guys just in case you guys might want us to do the same. This is what I'm gonna use. It says voice recorder device, very ... inserts and craft projects. So I ordered it off of Amazon. I think it's like $5. And this is inspired by something I did when I went to Build-A-Bear. Basically, I got my mom's voice put into a voice recorder so that I could come home and put it in my favorite bear. So I'm going to make one for her as well. I went on Facebook, I went on her mom's Facebook, and I got a voice of her mom just laughing. And so I'm going to use that one to pretty much do the same thing for her. Let's see. These are the instructions. And so the reason why I wanted to do this is because her mother, that I had the pleasure of meeting, she passed away in 2019, I believe. And we pretty much lost our mom at the same age. The best thing you could do for some people sometimes is just be a listening ear, but I thought, you know, let me also give her something that's a little more comforting probably. So this is what I'm gonna make, so let's get into it. Okay, so I just went on a scavenger hunt to find this teddy bear that I wanted to use. And I normally use this to say my prayer at night. I know it's very elementary, but when you're going through treatment and stuff like that, the key is making your life a whole lot easier, okay? And we can't do nothing without God. And so anyways, I'm pretty good at this point on my prayer, but I'm gonna take this voice out anyway, probably put it in my other ear. I'm gonna put the voice of her mom in here. So I'm actually gonna use, I'm recording off of my camera today because I need my phone. You guys know I really love working on my iPhone. I want to win an award for using this thing. Anyways, this is the video I'm gonna use of the sound. Okay, so it says circle recorder operating instructions. Ooh, I'm making the camera shake. I'm trying to focus it. So rotate the top clockwise, exposes the letter R. Press and hold the button to record. Hold the device 4 inches away from your mouth and speak clearly. Release the button when finished to stop recording. Rotate the top of the device to the letter P and press the outer button to play your message. O means off, P means play, R means record. Go to www.stuffums.com. So I'm gonna go visit this website real quick, and I'll screen record me going on there, whatever, and I want to see if I can find a video on how to do it because I don't want to mess this up. So I'm gonna have to use the brains. Rotate the top clockwise, exposes the letter R. Okay, okay, so do we have the letter R? Okay, press and hold the button to record. Hold the device 4 inches away from your mouth and speak clearly. Release the button when finished recording. Sounds pretty simple. So now, let's get to the video. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Wait. How do I take it back? No, let's see if it caught it. So then it says to play it. Oh my god. Her laugh is so freaking contagious. Alright. Let's see, how we gonna get up in this thing? You know what? We might split them right here. Let's do it in the back at least. I'm gonna go up his back because that's how Build-A-Bear does it. So I'm gonna go up his back and we'll put this in. Let me go get my seam ripper though. The seam ripper already kind of started because I forgot I was recording this. So probably could have very well used scissors, but hey, here's the little voice box. I'm gonna have to use scissors now. Or rip it. Okay. It would be cool if I could have put a zipper there. That way we could take it out. So that's not gonna work. So now let's go get some needle and thread, sew this bad boy up. So I'm gonna use my hair thread in a regular needle because you know, regular thread is so thin and I don't want it to break. Here's the point. It's these nails, y'all, I'm telling you. These just pressed ones, by the way. Alright. The first coffee. My husband bought me that cup when I was at Vanderbilt. Getting treatment one day. Went to Target and found it. So I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this needle back in. I'm gonna sit down and then I'm gonna bring y'all in closer to see how I do it. Alright. Y'all, I lost the needle. Oh man. Okay. What are the odds? Needles, check. Only thing is the one that I had was the biggest one, so hopefully I could get one that's gonna fit this thread. Excuse me. Yay! Alright. Okay. I would not recommend doing this with nails. Okay. Confused. I done confused the hell out of myself. Oh. Here we go. Let's go. Let's ride, Clyde. Wow, y'all couldn't even see that. The end, and I just got this loop here. I'm gonna go back through. I'm gonna knot it. I would recommend using brown thread if you have it, but I didn't. And now our bear is done. We do have 2 little black dots, but that's okay. We're gonna cut this off. Right, so now it's completed. Oh, the little fur falling off. This is the bear, guys. So cute. So Lindsay, I just want to actually record a special birthday message to you. If you see this, and I hope you see it because I'm gonna send it to you, and I just want to say that I love you so much. Thank you for being an amazing friend. So I really hope you enjoy your gift. Definitely made with love, and I don't know, I really love it. I kind of want to keep it psych. But yeah, girl, happy birthday. All right, guys, just got to Lindsay's. We got our wine coolers. What's up? Cheers.
I need to get mine because I'm.
Babe, where's yours?
You want one?
Why?
No thanks.
What I got? Mountain Dew?
Why not?
Oh, fine.
You just don't want to drink, huh? Is this gonna make me cry? Cause
It's anything like Andrew. Yes, he makes me cry all the damn time.
Really? Do you think he's gonna make the fight?
Don't tell me that. If it makes me cry, don't record me.
Definitely not gonna give it away.
I'm scared now. It smells like really good.
No, flip it. Hang on, show you.
No,
I got that one.
Huh? Well, I had to put a little few squirts of.
Is that right?
Here.
Right? Take your thumb.
Why does it smell so
I
good?
can't. Cause of my nail.
Why does it smell so good? What's on us?
Funny.
It's good.
What is it?
Wait, you have to press it.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
It's just
Press it.
Recording. Who was that? That's mom, right?
Yeah.
You're doing pretty well. Get out of there, Johnny!
Yana, why are you crying?
Be careful, buddy.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You see mine? Come here. That's cool, Mom.
Huh?
No.
Alright guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try this at home. I'm gonna leave the link to this little voice recorder down below. And I got my teddy bear from Dollar Tree. And I use hair thread and a regular sewing needle to get the job done. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. I'm already ready for bed. I have my shower. I need to go brush my dentist. And then after that, I'm ready for bed. But you guys have a good night, morning, whatever, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Have a good day. And I'll see you in my next video.